Hey guys, it's Laurel and Pierre with Blue Walks on the Run, and today we are going to feature this Durango 358 RPQ, and you want to stick around because this thing is gorgeous.
358 RPQ, before I forget. I already forgot. Rotoflex Kurt box. And Laurel wanted me to specify that we're at the Hershey show sometime in September. Double awning on both slides, which is kind of nice because this one will actually be covered by the slide out. Coming up, covered your door
And it covers
and
the
covered
door.
the other slide. So that is kind of nice. It's a neat feature. Here's will be your disconnect and your batteries or lithium or whatever you have going on. You also have a tiling already set up, so for your TPMS, your tire pressure monitor. So here's those doors that stop that you gotta bend over.
Oh,
the big
comes
basement
with a cooler.
comes with a cooler, an extra set of ramps. No, I think that's for their show and another unit. Xantrex, that was the inverter. So we already can see that there will be residential fridge, 99% of chance. So main door, 4 steps, adjustable like the other one, just like the. See, this one has the nubby. That's kind of nice though, because you just have to pull on this and adjust your legs. So those are almost, I like this model way better actually.
Almost perfect.
Yep. So, 2 7,000-pound axle. This whole rig is actually 37 foot overall. So in terms of length, compare apple to apple, ours is a little bit longer, which inside was surprising. The advantage of this is this back deck, which is kind of nice. That's a nice feature.
This would be beautiful.
You got that door, so it looks like a toy hauler, but it's actually a deck to hang out. So the last site we have would be phenomenal. So this is their flagpole. It doesn't belong there, but this is to have access to your roof. So it's one of those foldable, so they come up close to the wall. So other slide out here, we can already see that this frameless glass, that will be a fan and exhaust on the oven, which is kind of cool. And I think we got Furrion on-demand water heater. So that is kind of a nice feature. I don't see that too often. Well, I don't go out too often, I guess. So that's the water bay. Simple, efficient, works. See, compared to other one that we see that has 2200 lever, that's what I like about those. And this is the access for both your tanks. Auto leveling system is actually outside here, so that's kind of interesting. Right outside in the element, so I don't know. Schwintek bedroom slide out, so all installed, does the job. A lot of compartment here, so this is kind of a nice feature. You got a lot of storage room if you don't have a generator. If you have a generator, well, that's a nice place to have it put. And it's probably already set up. Whoops. No, it's not set up, so.
That was nice little storage up above too.
Yeah, no, I like that too.
Yeah,
that's for
that's
your
great. Put your
quick
chairs in
access.
there.
Yeah, your chairs. Oh, yeah.
I don't know.
Good. So now let's try to take a look at what's going on inside with Laurel.
Thank you for watching our videos. We'd love it if you'd hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell so you'll be notified when our next video comes out. So let's come on inside and see the features in this beautiful Durango. Coming into the rear living area. Again, it's light. I really love the texture of how they have the cabinets. It's sort of a gray, white, barn board look. Absolutely love that. You've got your table that actually pulls out, and you can have 4 chairs here, not just 2. The other 2 are actually stowed away in the bedroom. You've got your flush slide floor. There's no stubber in this unit. Again, beautiful furniture. This looks like cloth. It's not. It's a nice soft leather. Absolutely beautiful. Electrical. And of course, if you don't want the armrest, you can plop that up and you can snuggle. Side by side, Thomas Paine collection. And in the back, this is probably the best. I would love one of these. I love the fact that you've got this deck. When we're in Vermont, we've got our favorite site and this would have been the beautiful view of the whole entire campground. But imagine being on a lake or in Moab. Oh my God, the views would be spectacular. Again, you've got your television, and below you've got your InnoFlame fireplace, a ton of storage above the fireplace as well, above the TV, I should say, not fireplace. And then coming into the kitchen, I just want you to know that I have baked bread today. It smells amazing in here, and it says, we dance in this kitchen. Yes, we do, because we love camping, right? This is why we're all loving RVs. You've got your 4-burner Insignia stove and oven. You can bake your turkey in there at Thanksgiving. And you've got your Insignia convection microwave, tons of storage above the microwave and beside. And here you have the dishwasher. Don't put your paper plates in there, though. You can actually dump those. And and you've got your, I can't even think after saying that. You've got your residential refrigerator, and you could bring a lot of stuff camping in that or full-time living. But check out this pantry. Absolutely beautiful. Light comes on automatically, so tons of storage in here. And again, right here is a great place to have your coffee pot or what have you, or just maybe your decorations, which absolutely looks great. Nice storage above as well. So we're gonna mosey on up here into the bedroom and the bathroom. They have a nice large shower. I'll let you go in there, Pierre, because they've got a ton of storage beside the sink and underneath the sink, which is great. Sometimes we don't have enough storage for towels and washcloths and extra soap and toilet paper, but they really have utilized a lot of storage. And behind you is a nice, beautiful window in the hall. So it really opens things up, keeps things light and bright. Years ago, campers were just so dark and enclosed, but they've really opened things up. Beautiful king-size bed with storage underneath, and here is your closet. Now, you can access from both sides. They have stored the extra chairs here, but this also is a place where you can hang your clothes top to bottom, and the storage on the other side as well.
They even have a seat in there.
Well, that's in case you want to, pick out your clothes and sit down. But here you've got this little laundry. It's not a laundry chute, it's a laundry basket. So put your dirty clothes there, and nice storage again. Again, we have got here at the foot of the bed a nice fireplace. Guys, this is going to really warm up your living space here in the bedroom and keep you cozy at night. I think they did a really nice job with that. So we're going to share with you in a few minutes our least favorite and our favorite features. Okay, Pierre, so let's share our least favorite first and then our favorite. What's your least favorite?
My least favorite is the back deck door. So once you close the door, you lost all your light. The patio door is gone. There's no more light coming out from out there, and that little window in the back of one of the couches. That hits me. It's like, oh, I go from, see how much light we got right now? You can look at her glasses, you see the outside. It's beautiful. So, if I pull up this door, I'm screwed. So
the only way you're going to really lose that light is if you're in a spot where you cannot put your back deck down. So then it's going to be dark in here. Otherwise, it can still be down and you've got the light.
Yep. You might not have the view, but you'd have the light. Yeah,
right,
that would be my least favorite, though the floor plan is phenomenal.
It is beautiful.
So what's your least favorite?
My least favorite is that the heat ducts, they come out, the vents are in the floor.
Yeah.
So if you drop something, food, a ring, a necklace, whatever it is, it's going to go down into those vents. So that's just my little pet peeve. It's not something that is a deal breaker, but something that I personally don't care for.
Yep.
So, okay, what's your favorite feature?
I don't remember.
Okay, I'll tell you mine.
Oh, yeah, I remember.
You do?
Go ahead.
You want to tell it?
Nope.
Okay, so my favorite is that back deck. I think it is something that we would use a lot. And even if it was dark, when we're in a spot, I think the fact that we would have it a lot of times where we can have a beautiful view, that would outweigh the few times that we have to keep it up.
Yeah. And once we're done with the living room and we move to the bedroom, I love that slide out that gets the entertainment system as well as the fireplace outside as a slide out. So your bedroom becomes huge.
Yeah, the slide is at the foot of your bed.
Yeah. At the foot and at the head.
Right.
So that's a
It
hell of
opens
a
up the
playground right
bedroom.
there. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that was my favorite, I think. We probably have a list of favorite. We had a lot of good time in here, but see, and that's the point. Always research, do your research, look what you like, check your pet peeves, and that's where you choose a floor plan. And remember, and do never forget, it's not about the destination.
It's all about the journey.